Okay, while I was out here, I thought I would do an update. I've kind of moved people around, or chickens around. That is one of my cuckoo silkie roosters. And I'm breeding him to some buff girls. And then I'm going to take what I get from them, which should be Creole babies. Creole silkie babies. And I will breed them to a buff rooster, which will give me buff cuckoo, I think. I'll keep you abreast of that. That's one of my projects. And then here's my paints, which I'm trying to get more black hens for him. And I'm hoping that one of my chicks will end up being, what I really want is a neck and neck frizzy to put in here, paint frizzy to put in here with him. But that's the Blue Barn and Romeo. And there's the hotel. We went ahead and went and bought feed at a feed store. We bought 2,600 pounds of feed. So hopefully that'll last a few months if I don't keep growing. And then of course here's the Tipsy Chick. There's a jail cell, which is full of babies. Full of babies! Look at all the babies! Oh, we're walking here so you can see we got the gel painted. And here's all the babies. By the way, this is the first week in March of 2023. You can see I got silver. And there's all of these babies. I may have to add another food dish in here. But in the Tipsy Chick over there, we have my silver lace Polish. And then I have my blue Polish roosters and my 5 Houdan hens, which I'm trying to get a boy for them. I have some babies inside the house. Here's all these guys. No. Here's all these guys. Here, let me come in. Don't peck my feet. I should be wearing boots, but I have flip-flops on because I'm hot. But here's all these guys. Look at that! I've got a bunch of babies. I'm hoping I'll have enough pullets to put with these roosters. And then I need... No! Don't you do it. No, don't you do it. And then I need a Houdan rooster for him. And then here are the new buildings that Phil has made. He decided, since I was getting so many chickens, that he was going to build them together instead of separate like these have been. So these are 4 new coops that'll be ready. Then you have this coop over here, but all of these are ready for paint. I have to get the painting done. In here, for right now, we have my cinnamon queens. Hi, babies. And if you see in here, I went ahead, no, leave my toes alone. I went ahead and moved Godzilla into here to see what I would get. Girls, leave my feet alone. Hey, be nice. But these are all my cinnamon queens. You shouldn't have picked at the baby. Alright. But I'm trying, on these guys, I'm kind of trying to get a big, big rooster, or big roosters for meat, because they're dual purpose. This is the one. Look at that rooster. Look at him. He's friggin' huge. He's amazing. I've got 2 of them. Hey, feet. And then I got 2 little roosters in here. I had more hens, but I've been selling them. I'm going to set some eggs, and then tomorrow I'm going to go pick up some more. But this is my cinnamon queens, and like I said, you can see the Mondo Godzilla roosters. I'm trying to get a dual, feet, a dual purpose that you can use for eggs and meat. Then you can see these guys here. This is another one of my project barns. I'm trying to add red to my silky line. And of course, I'm wanting the naked necks. So you got these guys. There's Red. And that's Chip. That's one of my original babies that I hatched. And that is a new Turken hen. She's kind of mean. But, see, Dizzy's showing all kinds of stuff to his girls. He's a good rooster. Okay. Then over here, I kind of skipped some places. This is my original project barn. But I have moved things around. I am slowly but surely, that's Smokey, which was another one of my first hatchlings. But I am slowly but surely trying to move things around to where in this barn, I'll have Dropkick, who, I don't know what to call him. He looks like a blue partridge. But anyways, and there is Dina Butt. I'm trying to get all Turken hens over here to where I can breed the boys and get showgirls. I want to start my own line. And I want to get the Red. So that's why I've got these guys. And that's a splash one. I'm just kind of getting the ones and getting started. So, trying to build my breed lines. Hold on, but wait, there's more. And these, of course, are my buff-laced Polish. I've had them for a while. I want to try to, most of my females are kind of washed out, and I'm wanting to try to hold on to some of the darker hens or pullets and see if I can't darken this buff line out. I mean, you look at my rooster, he is absolutely stunning, and I like that dark coloring on these birds. So, again, but wait, there's more. Eventually, right there is going to be 2 more big chicken houses, and then all the way up to here will be chicken houses. My son's over there separating wood so my husband can make more false fronts. I didn't get that shut very well. We've been having trouble with the stupid dogs. I'll show you here in a minute. But here's my Cochin babies. Here's my Cochin babies. I'm going to have to pull a rooster out of here. Hi, guys. I got 2 roosters, and they're just beating my girls to death. So, I got one of them up for sale. And these are Bantam Cochins. I have a lot of project barns. Here's another project barn. I've got my cuckoo rooster with a black hens and then ninja. So I should end up with possibly a white cuckoo or more cuckoo babies. There's another black hen back there. Where's hiding? Now, you can see he started building the houses closer together because I've got more breeds that I want to do. And then here are my gold Polish. How'd you guys get that lid off? But here are my gold Polish. Aren't they pretty? And you see that rooster back there? That is the meanest thing ever. I mean, that is so mean. I don't know if he's going to end up in the dinner pot or not. He is mean, mean, mean. Okay. And see, because we were having trouble with our dogs when I had customers coming over, they put all that, the gate, and then across there is going to eventually say Chickendale, Arkansas. So, okay, one more barn, and then I'll also show you what problem we're having right now. Woo. If you look, I have some dogs who have figured out, okay, that is not going to work. All right, that's going to have to be moved, but it'll work temporarily. Anyways, we're putting a fence to stop the dogs from digging in. They actually got 2 of my silver spangled hens, and if they get another one, my middle son is going to be really upset with me, because I'm going to shoot his dog and mine. Hi, mamas. There's my other mama, and that is all of Chickens with Chicks. And this is March of 2023. Y'all have a great day. But you can see here, we're trying to get this to go up to where the dogs can't dig.